Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for tonight, we will be going over my nighttime skincare routine. Well, tonight, today, whatever time of the day that you're watching this, this is my official nighttime skincare routine for the fall and winter time. I've got a lot of new products that I'm using that I'm really excited to show you guys how I use them and different techniques and tips and tricks that I've got going on. So stay tuned and please keep watching. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I'm going to start off with for my nighttime routine is this Clinique Blackhead Solutions 7-Day Deep Pore Cleanse and Scrub. I did like a quick little boomerang of this on my Instagram, but I've never showed you guys how I use it. And I literally use this a couple of nights a week, probably about 2 to 3 nights a week as a face mask, but a scrub usually almost daily, at least like 5 times a week. It's really good. So I'm going to use it as a mask tonight. So it comes out green, so it looks like this, and I just smooth it all over my skin. So now that this is all on, you let it sit for about 5 minutes and then wash it off, and I'll be back in 5 minutes to continue on with the rest of my routine. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, my face is all tingly, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash this off and we'll continue on with everything else. My skin's kind of glowy now. I love that face mask. So next I'm gonna go in with this Dulseflora toner from Nola Skinsentials. This is 100% vegan. It says it's an organic herbal water for individuals with normal to dry skin that need a toner that will decrease acne without drying out their skin. So this is what it looks like. It's literally all the way down here. I use this stuff all the time, but I really like this stuff. It keeps my acne in check. I do break out a little bit sometimes. I mean, I'm still human, but this gets it together really quickly and it doesn't dry out my skin. So instead of using the spray, what I do is I open the top and I take a cotton ball and I go like this. And then I just kind of swipe it all over my face and then just let it sink in and let it dry. I feel like it gets in there a little bit more concentrated that way. I like to spray it if I use it during the day, but at nighttime I like to just swipe it all over. And then while that's drying, I like to go in with my Skinfix Brightening Eye Cream that I used in my daytime routine video. I just pat that under and around my eyes, same as the morning skincare routine video as well. Next I'm going to go back in with the Saturday Skin. I use this for my daytime routine as well as my nighttime routine. So I just take a little bit of it just like this on my hand and just rub it in. I really love a good water cream for my skin, just kind of like a base just to get that moisture going. And next I have 2 new products, and these have become like a staple of my skincare routine in the shortest amount of time. They're really, really good, and I swear I saw change in like a week. So I'm going to be talking about this Claire's line. It's by Wish Trend. So they have a line called Claire's, and they have a lot of good products, and these 2 are together. And this right here is the Rich Moist Soothing Serum. And this one says that it's moisturizing and soothing care. So it's a gentle serum made with a concentrated formula of a rich blend of organic complexes. So it makes your skin feel softer and replenished. And it just really, if you have irritated skin, which I do, I have like eczema all up in this area, then this is really good for you. It's a really nice soothing serum that moisturizes your skin without making it feel too greasy, but gives you the right amount of moisture. And on top of this water cream is literally life. And this next product right here is vitamin C drop. So this is pure vitamin C. It improves the skin tone and texture without harsh irritation. And I think that a good vitamin C is really good for, especially if you have darker skin or if you have hyperpigmentation or if you want brighter skin. I, of course, like I said, had some breakouts right here and they're literally faded already. And also it just really improves the tone and texture of my skin. So I really love a good vitamin C drop. Another one that I have that I'll show you guys that I'm not going to use tonight is by Nola Skinsentials as well. And this is the Hyperpigmentation Vitamin C Serum. And this stuff is golden. I really love this stuff right here. So these are my two favorites, but I'm going to go ahead and use Claire's tonight and show you guys how I do that one. So first I take the Soothing Serum and pump just a little bit of it into my hand, like about that much, it's right there. And then I take some of the vitamin C drops. I take literally only like 1 or 2 drops. You don't need a lot at all. And then I just rub my hands together like this, rub it all over my face. With this, you don't need a lot of product at all. And then I kind of let it sit in a little bit because since it is like a serum, it kind of takes a little bit of time to dry. So I'll let it sit for about a minute or so before I move on to the next product. And the last product that I'm going to use has been prescribed to me by my dermatologist. And this is a retinol. It's called Adapalene Gel. It's 0.3%. It's not much at all, but this is a retinol. And I got this because I was like, okay, I'm 27, I'll be 28 soon. I'm getting up there, y'all. I'm getting up there. So I was like, I want to get a retinol just to take care of some like fine lines and any signs of aging, sunspots, whatever on my skin, and start tackling them now while I can. So I got prescribed this, and it just really helps to even out my skin texture and tone. And I think this is really good for my skin and works well for my skin type. If you want to try retinol, they do have this store-bought ones. I posted about a strivectin one on my Instagram, which is really good, but I always suggest going to a dermatologist because you never know what kind of reactions you'll have with these different products out there. So definitely check out with your dermatologist, your doctor, test it out on your arm, something, but always test out everything before you try out anything that I'm using today. So for this, you literally need the smallest amount for retinol, and I definitely suggest using this at nighttime. Because I think if you use it during the day, it can cause some irritation with the sun. So that's another thing. So she told me to literally use like literally a pea-sized amount, like this small amount on the tip of your finger. That's all I use. And I just rub it together and just press. Literally just press it into my skin. Press, press, press. And that is it. Because it's so concentrated that it literally spreads everywhere, and you just want to be really gentle with this stuff anyway. So that's literally all I do. And this takes a while to dry too. My face usually feels like a little sticky afterwards, so I let it all sink in before I like lay down and stuff like that. So that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. I really hope that you guys enjoy it. Of course, I will leave all the products in the description bar down below because there was a couple of them that I used and showed you guys. So let me know what you think about it, and let me know what some of you guys' favorite skincare products are to use for your nighttime routine as well. So leave some comments down below with your suggestions and the things that you like to use. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I hope that you guys feel beautiful inside and out today because you are. Have a great night. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.